How to create an enticing LinkedIn profile. This is video number 2 of a 3-part video series. In video 1, I talked about the wow factor. You need to seduce the person that's reading it to make them want to read it from top to bottom. Intrigue. Get that human mind, the juices in their mind going, that they want to contact you. And also, the more you fill your LinkedIn profile, the better it's going to be for the Google algorithms. Google is for free. Use it. It's there for you. Don't replicate your resume 100%. The benefit of the English language is that you can change, chop and change so many words, but still keep the same meaning. Show consistent performance. Just in your resume, your CV, you want to tell the reader that you are a consistent performer. You deliver results. So have those star stories. What is a star story? Look on my YouTube channel about star stories. Give details about your employer, their company statistics, because it may be an obscure company that people don't know about. The more they know about that company, the better it's going to be for you. This is a bugbear of mine. Keep the title, the company, and the tenure dates exactly the same as on your resume. It drives me loopy. I see so many people absolutely have different company names, titles, and dates on their resume compared to their LinkedIn profile. What, just what, does that tell a future employer? I want you to meet your career goals. And if you're all over the place and you're not telling a consistent story, you won't reach your career goals. Go all the way back. LinkedIn, unlike a resume or a CV, is pageless. You don't start off as a manager. Everybody starts off at the bottom rung and works their way up. Yes, the further you go back, the less important it is. But you need to show where you started and where you are now. Deliver a powerful presentation. This is a presentation platform. Talking about your performance, the value you can bring your next employer. The more text, the better. At the end of video 3, there will be a table of characters talking about each specific section. So I would encourage you to go to video 3. You're not going to want to miss that video.